Should I repair or replace my aging HVAC system? That's a question that a lot of homeowners are faced with quite frequently. Obviously, numerous things go into it. Number one, what's the cost of the repair? If we're talking about a system that's only 5 to 10 years old and it's a few $100 repair, obviously I would recommend repairing it. If we're getting a system, that's getting up there in age, and just for references, 18 to 20 years for furnaces and air conditioners, they're hitting their age expectancy. Not that we don't see them go longer, we do, but that's, roughly their given life expectancy around 18 to 20 years. So if you get a system that's getting closer to that age and you're looking at having to put 800 to over $1,000 into it, that's time that you really need to consider replacing it. Number one, you're going to get incentives probably to have it replaced. You're going to save on your fuel bill or your heating bill and air conditioning bill because they're going to be better and more efficient equipment. You'll get a fresh brand new warranty with it and more reliability of being away from any repairs that may be needed. So it's absolutely a decision that a homeowner needs to outweigh the risk and rewards of replacement and the cost aspects of replacement versus repair and make an educated decision from there.